Hello friends, welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel and we are here teaching you the different softwares like ETAP, DIGSILENT PowerFactory, Syst, DIALux Evo and AutoCAD. Presently two courses are running, ETAP and DIALux Evo. This is my one of the subscriber, one of my WhatsApp group member also. He is facing some issue in some model. He is getting some error in star view generation of relay coordination. That means when he is trying to generate a star view, the graph is not shown. That is the problem of this subscriber. He has contacted me through WhatsApp and he has sent me the files and also video. What is the problem he is facing? You can see he has writing. Please take a look at this video and please guide. For the star view, to set the relay coordination, there is no graph shown. Okay, here send me the files like this. You can see. Okay, sir, classification. This is the files. I have told him to send me the files, and he has sent these files like MDF, OTL, LDF. This is a better way to send the files. If you are also facing some problem, some issue in any model, you can send me there. You can share me with me the files like that he has sent. Like that you can also send files so that I can visualize, I can see what is the problem, what is the why you have done wrong. This helps me easy because we do not have to make a model, because model is already made. We have to only see what is the problem, where you have gone wrong, what you have, how you can solve the problem. I have to only guide that. This helps me to guide you properly. Okay, he has sent me the two videos. I will show you the two videos what he is facing actual problem. These are two videos, this one and this one. I will select this one first and see what is the problem he is facing. See. Okay, okay. He is showing the operation sequence of operation in this video. Okay, now what is the problem? Stereo system. Okay, no graph is shown here. Okay, I understand what is the problem. I also know why he is not getting. I got the idea. This is second video also. In second video, what he is done doing. Okay, he has done performing the short circuit analysis. Okay, this is the short circuit results on each bus. Okay, okay, okay. Actually, there is nothing. Actual problem is the same problem which we have seen in the first video. This is the model which we have sent through me WhatsApp. I can zoom it. First of all, we can see a little bit about this model. It is a grid. Then there is a 33 kV bus here. Then there is 11 kV bus. This is a power transformer of 10 MVA. Okay, and this is the rating is 10 MVA and this is 33 by 11 kV transformer. And this is the circuit breaker and this is the relay, and here it is CT. This is another CT circuit breaker, CT and circuit man. This is the lumped load. Okay, now we have to perform the relay coordination for that model, and our main aim is to generate the star view graph. Okay, first of all we can perform the short circuit analysis. First of all, when we have checked here the short circuit, and then we can go to here. This is edit study case and see here the buses are in do not fault condition, do not fault section. Before that, you can uh, see one more thing. You can see the buses here are black in color, and when I select all the buses and shift these buses into the fault condition and click OK, now see all the buses are now in the red color. because now the buses are in the fault condition, and we can perform the short circuit analysis. We can name this file as a 1. Okay, and see, now the short circuit analysis, short circuit has run. It has been updated that the kVA short circuit current has been updated on all buses. Now we will shift to the star protection and coordination, and this is the run or update short circuit kVA. We can click on that. No bus is faulted. This is the error. We can go back and go to here, edit study case, and select all the buses and shift these buses to the fault condition and click OK. Now we can run again the run update short circuit kVA. Now you can see the short circuit kVA has been updated. Now what we can do, we can go one more thing we can do here. We can go to this relay, double click on that, then go to OCR page, then go to library and select here ABB relay is selected, and here the function is selected as a overcurrent. I can select for protection type. This is for the, suppose this is, we are using this relay for feeder protection, and we can select REF T41 model and click OK. And here the curve type is extremely inverse. You can select as per your choice what is needed for as per your project. I have kept here extremely inverse and click OK. And now I can run again the update short circuit kVA. Now you can see the short circuit kVA has been run. It is updated. Now what we can see, one more thing you can observe, that here this grid star view is not active. Now we can select this portion, and now this grid star view is active. We can create the star view now. Now you can see the star view has been created. 1 minute, I can, but there is no, there is some graphics has come, but the exactly graphics has not been come. We can go back to this portion. We can see why this error has been created, but there is a graph has been generated but not properly. Graph has been not generated. We can double click again here and go to the OCR and select here. We have first selected the extremely inverse this curve. Now we can select IEEE extremely inverse curve and click OK, then update, and then now we can see what will happen, and we can click on the star view, create star view again. Now the graph has been created. You can see I can, this is the graph relay 3, this is the line 3 graph. Okay, you can move it like this. Okay, now the graph has been created. You can, now the error has been solved. Thank you.